everybody, this is Crystal with CrystalsDiversiCreations. So I'm actually in the midst of doing some ornaments, and I am at the point where I need to be staining them. And I wanted to just show you this staining that I use that is so quick and easy. And once it dries and I'm ready, you know, I've added my painting or whatever I'm going to do to it, I hit it with shellac spray and that just seals it in. But it is so versatile. It dries so quickly. It's easy to paint over with my Posh markers, and it comes in a huge number of colors. So I'm going to show you how I use it really quick. Okay, so these are the ornaments that I'm doing. This is going to be white. That's why some of them you see don't actually have them painted. And so I'm going to just show you one really quickly. Just have your ornament here. Depending on how many I got or what I'm doing, shake it up, because there's always like a little bit of the it settles at the bottom, so you want to shake it up. And then you just need a little bit, like that much. There's like hardly anything in there, right? And I think I only have those two to do, and I'm doing fronts and backs. So you just dab your brush in, get a little bit on there, and then you just rub it across it, and it's really just that simple. And it takes very easily, and it spreads a little bit, goes a long way. I just didn't have it wet that much just now. And just you're rubbing it just across, and then like an area like this, you just want to kind of go straight, just like you would paint anything else. And then that's really it. If you wanted it darker, you could let that dry and do it again. On this side, like I said, I'm trying not to paint the snowflake, because I'll be doing that in a white Posh. And if you all want to see the Posh marker, I think I'm going to do a quick video on that when I'm using them. I love them. They are my favorite. Love, love, love them. And so you have this. I'll be adding in a name to this with either gold acrylic or black acrylic, just depending. We're doing the females in gold acrylic and males in the black acrylic. And this is it. So this is kind of, I'm going over here because this is the part that will actually be out. Down here where the name is, and then these sides, all the rest will get painted with the Posh markers. So that's it. And you can see, if I wasn't going to paint, it's okay, you know. It's a nice what do they call it, color wash tint. Okay, so I'm gonna set that one to the side, move this over to the side, and I'm gonna take out a piece of wood so I can show you some of the other. We're just gonna walk through some of the colors, and I'm just gonna be using some regular Q-tips to do so. So this is the color we just used. This is my go-to. It's a old bronze, and these are called the Tattered Angels Color Wash Tint. At the time that I bought them, they were marked at $2.99. I got them on sale. They go on sale often, and it says it's a faux finish with a touch of metallic. And so when they dry, you do get to see like a little twinkle of a sparkle. Like you can see it shimmer just a bit. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but there's a small twinkle, like a little bit of glitter. So this is the old bronze. This is the one that we just used. And that's what that looks like. That's your old bronze. Oops. Right there. Then this one is the weathered copper. Again, you have to shake it up. And they come where you can see like sort of what the color is at the top. So this is the weathered copper. Kind of comes out blue. That's what that one looks like. That's the weathered copper. This is the French roast. So this is like a dark wood color. So you can see that's a little bit darker. That's the French roast. Then we have the verdigris, I guess that's how you say it. You can see that has a lot of gold in it because it's at the bottom of it. It's like a green color. See that? And these are really pretty, just depending on what you're doing. So when I seen them and they work so well and so easy, I just got the whole set. I just went back and I forget how much they were when I bought them. I want to say they were maybe like $1.99. And I've had this for easily 2-3 years. This is a pewter. So this is kind of what this one looks like. And this is more like your black, which depending on what you're doing, it could be pretty nice actually. But if you're using your Glowforge, or even if you're buying the different little wood-like things from the Dollar Tree, this is a good option to change the color of them. This one is the Mimosa. This is Mimosa. It's supposed to be like an orange. So it's like an orange. That's really pretty. That's the Mimosa. Then we have the whitewash. It's the whitewash. There we go, a little bit more color. That's better. Shake it up good. But it still seems to fade into the wood, just giving it just a hint of the white. So that's your white. This is the red wine. So it's the red wine. Let me see if I can stagger these a bit so we can try to fit them all in here. And I can give you a better picture of it. So this one is the red wine. Look at that red. Oh, I like that one. That's the red wine. And then we have the Blue Lagoon. That's nice too. That's actually really pretty. And the reason why I was grabbing the wood is because it's A, it's a Q-tip, and B, because I had the masking tape. So when you pick up masking tape, sometimes you need to sand your wood, because if not, it raises the wood up. So that's what you're seeing there. Now this one here, I think this is the rose gold. Yeah, this is the rose gold. So got to shake that gold off the bottom. And this is a real soft one. Let's see if we can't get this down this way. It's not just over a tinge. Okay. And that's soft. That's if you just want to calm your wood down and not have a stark wood color. It's really soft. And the other one I don't have, it's spilled. And it was my favorite too. I thought I was buying a replacement of it, and I actually brought, I lost the top, and this is called copper. I have to replace this one. This was my favorite. It gives like, it's almost like this one here, but it's like in the brown flavors. So this used to be my go-to. And then I thought when I went to the store, I was getting an extra one, and I actually bought this one again, this old bronze. So that's kind of the last color. That's the copper. So I'm going to show you what these all look like. And I generally keep these. This came from the Dollar Tree, and they fit in here nicely. So I can just sit them all in there and put them on the shelf. So let me give you a picture of what this looks like. So this is all of the colors right here, and the swatches so that you can see them if you want to grab some. Again, they come from Hobby Lobby, and at the time that I purchased them, they were selling for $2.99 a piece. They are called the Tattered Angels Color Wash Tint, one-step water-based tint. And it really is, each of these colors you've seen, you did it with me, there was only one layer put in there, and those colors are really vibrant for one layer. The white, you can see what it did there. It kind of, and you can actually see some of the shimmer too. It kind of just takes away that wood look. Same with your rose gold. So that's what you have. And again, here it is on the ornaments. So that's how my ornaments came out with it. And you can see sometimes it just depends on the color of the wood, because these are just all the same woods, but If it was a little bit heavier or a little bit lighter, you get the little difference in there. And since that doesn't matter much because the ornaments going to different people, it's okay. Thank you as always for watching. I hope you all found this video helpful. Again, go out and get yourself some of this color wash tint. I've used it on several projects, and it does last, particularly if it's not going to be out in the weather. And if you seal it properly, it lasts very, very well. I love the variety in colors, and the price you can't beat. And again, wait till it goes on sale. Get it from Hobby Lobby. I have not noticed it in other stores. Doesn't mean you can't find it there and online, but I did get it at the Hobby Lobby store in store. So until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe, and do take care.